Some encounters start as routine but quickly spiral into tense confrontations. Tonight, 3 body cam videos capture real moments of escalating defiance, mental health crises, and violence.
Yeah.
What's up?
I need your ID.
How you doing? You need proper cause of search.
Say that again?
I can legally stay here overnight like this. I'm just chilling right now. I ain't doing nothing.
Can you lower the back window?
No, I ain't got nothing to lower. You need a probable cause to search me. I have nothing wrong, bro.
Can you stop?
No, I'm okay. I have nothing.
Listen.
I've done nothing wrong, bro.
Listen. You want him to trespass? Okay, no problem.
Listen, if it's that difficult,
listen.
you could ask me to leave.
No.
If it's that
Listen,
difficult,
listen.
you could ask. I'm not doing anything
Listen.
wrong.
You don't want to talk to me?
I don't.
You want your trespass. I need your ID. As of right now, listen. Yes.
No, because I have.
You're not free to leave as of right. Listen, you're about to go to jail. I'm telling you, you're about to go to jail.
I can sue all of you.
Take that 28 for me right quick.
Let me take a picture of this. So that you're saying that? Hold on. Give me a sec, bro. This is actually so dumb, bro. Like, I literally suffer from anxiety. You guys actually have to set me up. Literally, I'm literally here at a park overnight chilling, listening to music, and then y'all are just gonna stop me, and then y'all are gonna stop me, ask me for an ID, and then you guys want to search me now with no.
Officers responding to a trespasser refusing to leave after being warned by security. The man refuses to produce ID or cooperate, claiming he is legally allowed to stay.
Cause, no reason. Can you turn off your flashlight, please? That kind of bothers me. Can you turn off your flashlight? Please.
Can you get your phone off my face as well?
What?
I need your ID, sir.
I'm asking you to please turn off your flashlight.
Okay, I need your ID.
I'm asking you to please turn off your flashlight. And I don't have to give you my ID. There's no reason for me. I've done nothing illegal.
Sir, you're gonna go to jail.
You're gonna take me to jail for what reason? You wanna give me a reason? Am I under arrest?
As of right now, you're being detained.
Oh, I'm being detained.
Yes, sir.
For what reason?
You're being trespassed right now.
On what grounds? I don't see no if there's a trespassing thing, you could ask me to leave and I could leave right now.
Doesn't work, sir.
We
asked you to leave.
I was never asked to leave.
You refused to give
I
me.
was never asked to leave.
Okay, that's fine.
So he was here. You told him to leave. He don't want to leave. And this park belongs to which community?
Loggers Run.
Loggers. Okay.
Correct. Anything inside the parking lot is ours.
Okay.
Outside is you.
And you try to tell him to leave, and he don't want to leave.
He blew me off like he did to you.
All right. And
he's not a resident of Loggers Run.
He's not a resident.
Well, he's got to show you ID.
Okay.
But he's a non-resident of Loggers Run.
You want to trespass?
I was never asked to leave though. Come on.
That's fine.
Please tell me. Like, if you want me to leave, I can.
Do you want to give me your ID or you're not going to give it to me?
There's no reason. I have no reason.
Fair
I've done
enough.
nothing illegal. I've literally done nothing illegal.
Fair enough.
Okay. Can I go home? Have a good night?
No, sir.
Then why can't I go home?
I need to know who you
Why
are.
am I detained? Why am I being detained?
Because they don't want you in the park. The park is closed right now.
Did they
Sir,
tell me to leave?
they don't. Sir,
Did they tell me to leave?
I'm not here to argue with you.
What's your name, officer?
Can I have Jermaine?
What's your badge number?
31848.
31848?
You want to give me your ID, sir?
You want to give me your badge number one more time on the camera, very clearly?
You want to give me your ID, yes or no?
I'm asking you for your badge number. You have to legally.
Sir, do you want to give me your ID, yes or no?
What's your badge number, officer?
3962. The other
What's
car.
your name? No, you can't. No, you can't.
Bro, listen.
We're
my
not
car
here
now.
to play games.
You're
man.
touching my car now.
Right now?
I'm not.
Right now,
what have
you're
I
under
done
arrest.
illegally?
You're
What have I
under
done?
arrest.
Oh,
Run the car.
okay.
Run the car.
All right, that's simple.
You want to open it or you don't want to open it?
Don't touch my phone. That's my personal property, man.
It's property now. You're under arrest.
All right, whatever you want. Well, let me get something.
No.
Bro,
Hey, you don't tell us what to do. We tell you what to do. Okay, you're under arrest. You're 100% legal. You're under arrest. Okay?
Whatever you say. Are you seeing this, man?
That's fine.
You could have just asked me to leave, and I would have left.
He did
did
tell
ask
you
you.
to
He
leave.
asked
never asked me to leave. I didn't hear him.
Hey,
say
I
to
need you to
leave.
stop resisting. Give me your arm.
I'm stopping resisting. Are you stupid? Bro, this is so wrong, bro. All right, bro. What's your name again?
Santos, 39622.
Okay, I'll remember that.
All right, go ahead. It's gonna be so much better, man.
Yeah, y'all could have just asked me to leave. Could have been really easy. I'm telling you.
Anything on you? Any weapons?
Not that I know.
Anything that can pull me?
Nope. I just have like my wallet in the left pocket with keys probably.
I got them.
And all this for what?
You're trespass. You're under arrest for trespass.
But
You're the one who made it.
You think I know that this is a trespass place after a
You want to
certain
play
property?
hard.
We told you many,
Play
many
hard? I
times.
was just
Play
telling
hard,
bro.
bro. You didn't want to
You
give me
guys
your
come
name.
up with me. There's lights here the whole time
You
just
didn't
staring
want to
at
give
me.
me your name.
Because I've done nothing illegal. I've done nothing wrong to legally have to give you my name.
Oh, yes, you are. You're being trespassed.
And you think I know that? Y'all could just tell me.
We're trying to. You keep playing hard.
No, but you never told me, man.
Oh, we told you already.
No,
Listen,
bro.
we got a camera. You saw?
Okay, and I have a video. It's fine.
Okay,
It's fine. It's fine.
Despite officers' repeated instructions, the man continues to resist. After being placed under arrest for trespassing and obstructing, his cash bond is set at $2,000.
Okay. I'm not doing that with you. Do you have your driver's license?
Let me tell you something.
Insurance?
I am pregnant.
Okay.
Get out of my face.
Don't tell me what to do. You're blocking
Get
the roadway.
out of my face.
You're blocking the roadway. So I just wanted to talk to you. You just flicked me the bird. So I'm going to ask you for your driver's license, registration, and insurance. Do you have your driver's license, registration, and insurance?
No.
You don't?
No.
So you're operating a vehicle with no license, registration, or
No,
insurance?
I want this to stop.
What would you like to stop? I'm trying to talk to you. Do you have your driver's license?
I am not talking to you or anyone else.
Okay. Do you have any medical conditions that I need to be aware of? Ma'am, do you have any medical conditions that I need to be aware of?
I just told you.
Okay, what is that?
Police respond to calls about a woman blocking a neighborhood roadway with her vehicle. When officers try to speak with her, she refuses to comply or provide her license and registration.
Do you have a driver's
Do you not
license?
understand what I responded?
No, ma'am. That is not a medical condition. Congratulations on being pregnant, but that's not a medical condition that would affect your ability to understand my
I'm supposed
questions.
to be on bed rest, and I was trying to go get something to eat.
Okay.
And the hired guns for the government keep harassing me.
Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. What's going on? Talk to me so I can understand.
You're hired guns for them.
What are-
You'll talk to them. Talk to Trump.
Okay.
Talk to Congress
Okay.
to stop this.
No.
Do not touch me! Hey! Stop! Stop! Why are they doing this?
Stop.
Sam! I can't believe you!
Relax.
I cannot! You
Relax.
don't take my phone!
Relax. Relax. Ma'am. Take a seat.
I need my shoe.
I'm gonna get your shoe and I'm gonna get your purse. Just sit right there for me.
The woman is ultimately detained and charged with resisting arrest and operating without proper documentation.
10-4.
Roll down all your windows.
What?
You were driving all crazy all the way down W.
No, I was not driving crazy. You
10-8.
see me use my signals, didn't you?
Yeah, and you cut off the big old truck. You were going like
I cut off a big
50
truck and I
miles
got
an
in
hour.
front of him.
License registration, please. For careless
That's
driving.
not. No, I'm parked. You cannot pull me
Yes,
over
I
if
can.
I'm parked.
License
No,
and registration,
you
proof of
can't. No, you
insurance.
cannot. You
Give me
can't
your
pull
license.
me over in my yard, sir.
License and registration, or I'm going to pull you out the car.
Sorry, no, you're not going to pull
Yes,
me.
I am.
No, you're not. No, you're not at all.
Give me your
I'm
license
parked in
and
my car.
registration.
I'm parked on my property, sir.
It is a legal traffic stop. Now give me your license and registration. For careless driving.
You touch your lights when I'm already in my yard.
For something I observed on W. Now give me your
You
license
should
and
have pulled me
registration.
over on W.
I couldn't catch up because you were going 60.
I was not going 60.
License and registration.
You should have turned on your lights. Exactly.
Give me your license and registration. You're going to get out and you're going to go to jail.
No, I'm not. You got to pull me up out of here.
All right.
Florida police officers pursued an erratic driver who attempted to evade a traffic stop by parking in her driveway. She refused to exit the vehicle, claiming the law was in her favor.
Hey, stop pulling on my door, sir.
Yeah, open the door. Step out
No,
of the car.
I'm not getting out my car. You do not have the right to search my car.
I'm not
giving you the
car right
right. None of that.
You
No.
have to step out.
No, I'm not. I'm not
Step out.
stepping out. Not at all. No, I'm not. No,
You don't.
I'm
You
not.
will be going to jail.
No.
Step out of the car.
Tell
You're
me
going to go to
what's the
jail.
reason why I got to get out.
3:45. I'm on 7. Step out of the car. Unlock the car.
No.
Okay.
No.
I don't know what happened. I ran it as a 2024 tag and it came up. It looks like
I'm not.
No, because y'all is not, you was invading my rights. I know my rights. No. You cannot. You're invading my rights. No. What?
Put your hands to that. Oh, let's leave. Leave.
Why are y'all? Why are y'all arresting me? I need to call my mom.
Grab that. Grab it.
Why are y'all arresting me? Why are y'all doing this? Chill out. This is crazy.
Got weed all in the car.
The driver faces charges for reckless driving, resisting arrest, and obstruction of justice.